Experiencing lag or slow performance in Roblox Mobile? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you some quick and effective ways to reduce lag and make your gaming experience much smoother. First, open the Roblox app and join any game of your choice. Once the game is running, tap the Roblox icon in the top left corner of the screen to access the in-game menu. Next, tap on Settings and scroll down to find Graphics Mode. By default, it's set to Automatic, but we'll switch it to Manual. Once you've done that, adjust the graphics quality slider by lowering it. Reducing the graphics quality eases the strain on your device and significantly improves performance. Adjust the slider until the lag disappears for optimal gameplay. Now, let's optimize your phone's resources. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. To do this, swipe up and hold, or use your phone's multitasking view, then swipe away apps like social media or video streaming services. Freeing up memory and processing power will help Roblox run more smoothly. Another crucial tip is to check your phone's battery settings. Open your device's settings, scroll down to battery, and ensure that low power mode is turned off. Low power mode restricts your device's performance to save battery, which can lead to lag in games. Also, ensure your device is charged above 20%. A low battery can further reduce performance. Once these adjustments are complete, head back into Roblox and test your game. You'll likely notice a significant improvement in performance and a smoother gaming experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more mobile gaming tips and tricks.